Couponing with Tisa.
Hey, everybody. Happy Sunday. It is time for me to bring you guys the deals that are happening this week at the good Walgreens, the 8th through the 14th. Whoo, y'all. Before we know it, we're going to blink and we're going to be in November, but we're going to take our time. Take our time, okay, baby? Ain't no rush. But there's some decent deals that's happening at the good Walgreens this week. I'm about to take you guys in there so we can take advantage of some of them. Now, some of you may have got some really good digital spin boosters this week. I know I did. One of my accounts got a spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash. But my other account got spend $1 and get $5 in Walgreens cash. So, hey, I got options this week, you guys. This is going to be a great week for me and hopefully for you guys as well at the good Walgreens. So let's go ahead and head in the store and see what items we need to stock up this week at Walgreens.
We're going to start a little different today. We're going to start over here in the home care area with the laundry. I want to point out this Gain Ultra. They are $1.99 each. When you pick up two, you'll get back $1 register reward. So you'll pay $3.48. Get back $1, leaving them at just $2.48 or $1.24 each. I think that's a phenomenal deal. Now, my store has the Febreze small space. It's $3.29. We have a $2.30 digital coupon that is attaching to it. It is out of the 1 count Febreze car fragrance that is also $3.29 and has a $2.30 coupon attaching to it as well. If you can pick up both, great. That's $6.58, but take the $2.30 off for each of the coupons. You'll pay $1.98, but for you buying two, you'll get back $1 register reward, leaving them at just 49 cents each. The deal is back on select Gain and Downy products and Tide products. When you buy 4, you'll get back the $5 register reward. And again, that's on the Downy, the Bounce dryer sheets, even the light scented ones, along with the Downy Calm Infusion and the Tide Pods and the Tide Liquid. So let me show you guys a deal that you can do. Now, all together before any coupons, it's going to be $21.96. But we have some digital coupons that are attaching. We have a $1.50 digital coupon for the Tide Liquid. We also have a $1.50 digital for the Tide Pods. We have a $1.50 digital that is applying to the Downy Bounce fabric conditioner, this one here. Plus we have another $1 digital that is attaching to the Bounce dryer sheets. That'll leave you to pay $16.49 out of pocket, but you'll get back the $5 register reward, leaving them at just $2.86 per item, which is not a bad deal at all. But if you also have that spend 20, get $5 back, that's going to take you down to just $6.44 for all of these products, or about $1.61 each, and that's an even better deal. Don't forget that the Walgreens brand tissue, the 4 count, is still $1.99. Hopefully your store has some in stock to be able to take care of that deal this week. As you can see, the store that I'm currently in is out. If Scott is your jam, you can pick up this 12 equals 12,000. They are on sale this week for $8.99. They're normally $14.49. And they have a $1 digital coupon, making them just $7.99. That's like half that price. So that's definitely a good deal to pick up this week for some toilet tissue. Good deal on some toilet tissues on the Scott Comfort Plus. They're $5. We have that $1.25 IVC coupon, but we also now have a $1 digital coupon that's applying. That's going to leave it at just $2.75. Deal on some of the Old Spice body wash. They are on sale for $7, and you can pick up 2 of them. We do have a $3 off of 2 digital coupon that is applying to them, so that will take you down to $11. And when you pick up 2 of them, you should get back a $5 register reward. So you'll pay $11 after the coupon, get back a $4 register reward. But there's also a rebate offer on Ibotta for $5 when you pick up 2, leaving them at $2 or just $1 each. Plus there's a 5-cent rebate rebate on Swag Bucks for picking up any Old Spice. So that's an additional 5 cents that you can get back as well. Be mindful that the Olay is also on sale for $7 this week. Again, you can get back that register reward, but there is no Ibotta rebate. Plus, it's an either or deal with that digital coupon. It's either attaching to the Olay or the Old Spice. Is not a separate digital coupon, but you can pick up one women's and pick up one men's if that's what your household needs, and still get back the $4 register reward, but you would not be able to get the back to $5 on Ibotta. So you just have to pick and choose what items you need for your household. The deal on these Big Flex 3 titanium razors, they're $4.99. You can pick up 2 of them. They are on promotion this week, even though my store is not marked. Buy one, get one 50% off. Plus, we have a $3 digital coupon where you'll pay just $4.48. But there is a Shop Mium rebate for $3 or 300. Well, yeah, for $3. Sorry, guys, on Shop Mium, leaving you at just $1.48 or just 74 cents for each. Here's a deal on Colgate. It's basically the ones that are $3.99, but as you can see, none are marked in my store. Most of the time it's on these Optic White, so it's probably the ones that's marked for $4.99. But if you can find the $3.99 ones, pick up 2 of them. There is a $4 off of 2 digital coupon, which will take you down to $3.98, but you'll get back a $3 register reward for picking up 2 of them, leaving you at just 98 cents or 49 cents each. Now, if you can't find the ones that are $3.99, you could pick up 2 of the ones that are $4.50. That's going to take you to $9. Take off the $4 off of 2 digital coupon, plus get back the $3 register reward. Leaves you at $2 or just $1 each. All right, guys, so here is everything that I'm picking up. I also forgot to mention that there is a digital 50-cent coupon that I have on my account for the Gain Ultra Clean, so hopefully you guys got it as well. I'm going to do these in 2 separate accounts. One account, I'm just going to pick up the Gain deal. That's the one where I'm going to do the spend $1, get $5 back in Walgreens cash, plus I should get the $1 register reward for the Gain. And the other, I'm going to do the Tide products along with the Gain again, and I'm also going to throw in a $5 register reward to attach to one of my Gain products, since the others have digitals that are attaching to them. And that spin booster is spend 20, get $5 back. But I should also get the $5 for the register reward for the Tide, and then also the $1 for the Gain. So let's go check out and see how it all turns out in the end. All right, guys, so here is my first receipt with the Gain. The digital came off. I got back $5.03 in Walgreens cash, but guess what? My Catalina machine was not working, so I'm going to have to submit a ticket to Catalina to get my additional $1 back, which is never really a problem with Catalina. I typically get it back, but it made this a $2.34 money maker. All right, and so here is my other one. This one did have a little snafu. There's the Gain, the Bounce, the Downy, the Tide Pods. Now the $5 register reward attached, but it kicked out one of my dollar digital coupon for one of my Downy items. So the $1.50 came off for the Tide liquid, the Tide Pods, and the Bounce, but either the Downy or the Bounce didn't come off. The 50-cent digital did come off for the Gain. I was expecting that $5 to attach to one of the Gain, but it attached to either one of the Bounties or the Downy, which is fine. It's just I'll put in a ticket for that extra $1 that didn't come off. So it ended up being $15.94 instead of $14.94. and $17.31 instead of $16.31, but I did get back $5.25 in Walgreens cash. But again, I did not get my $5 nor my $1 register reward to print because the Catalina machine was out. So again, going to have to submit to Catalina. Counting in the $5 register reward that I already used, substituting that with the $5 register reward I should have received, plus the $1 digital that did not come off, which I am going to put in a ticket to Walgreens.com, so they should give me my $1 back, plus figuring in the earned Walgreens cash I got today, left this at all just $3.69. So in totality, with both of my transactions, a cool total of just $1.35 for everything that I picked up today. So
this was a phenomenal deal. So I hope you guys are able to get out to Walgreens this week and do some of these phenomenal deals. I hope your Catalinas are printing. If not, look down in my description box. I do have the website where you can go and submit your receipt on Catalina. And again, I've never really had any problems with them mailing my Catalinas in the mail and in time for me to do my deals for the following week. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media accounts, you guys. Until the next time, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and God bless. Peace out.